Hey everyone, hey NailTubers. So let me just explain real quick what I'm using. This is the Saviland Diamond PolyGel. I'm using one of the 3 glitter gels that comes in this set. I will also use this candy gel cream I've had since last year. It's color number 1606 and I just think it's so pretty for this season. So this is going to be what I started calling a peekaboo design. I start with 2 solid color nails, the pinky and the thumb, which each layer, this time I cure for 90 seconds each because the gel cream is of a thicker consistency than the gel polish. And I want to be sure that it cures all the way through. So for this set, I decided to do a simple geometric design and layer the glitter polygel over to give it a peekaboo effect of the color showing from underneath. I have no idea how I came up with this. It was something that literally popped into my mind and I was very interested to see how it would turn out. So keep watching and let me know what you think. Oh, wow. I almost feel like I'm dreaming to be here today. I've been so busy working. By the way, I've primarily been working midnight shifts, but also get much work in during the day shift as well. I came home today like, let me at this nail table. Now, I do have to forewarn you, each period I've been away from videoing has definitely had an effect on my fluency. It happened last time and again now. I'm feeling like this is my first video. I lost some footage. There was actually an unboxing to this and I have no clue where I saved it. There were maybe a couple of segments too where I thought I was recording but wasn't. But you know what? At this point, I just didn't care because I'm so happy today just to be here messing everything up. And you go enjoy this with me. I will always express how glad I am that you are here because what really touched me while not being able to post was that people were still subscribing. I wished I could explain how that feels. So thank you for your understanding. Oh, and I have to thank you, Omneya, for acknowledging what I do. That really means a lot, and I thank those of you who are here from her channel. If you're not familiar with her, please check out her channel, Omneya's Wish. She's a very sweet girl and I like her. She's got some pizzazz in her and she does a lot of nail art as well. So here I go in with striping tape, which will eventually become removed. I'm only using it as a guide to create clean and straight lines. I'm also changing out the brush that I'm using. The other one was rather stiff, and this one was a little softer, which will work better for the small spaces that I'm doing. My thought here was to place the color on relatively thick to be certain that it would shine through the glitter. Now that I have the neat lines established, I go in with a second coat. Working with striping tape can be somewhat intimidating, but it comes with practice. I find it easy to use a tweezer tool. This is the Saviland Diamond Glitter PolyGel set. It comes in 3 30-gram tubes, which is a lot, so there's enough to do several full glitter sets. I also showed that instead of using a slip solution, I opted to use a base coat, and the base coat that I chose was from Born Pretty. I feel that using a base coat would help the PolyGel maintain its glossy shine. I have been excited to try something from the Saviland product line, and I decided on the PolyGel. These polygels are so dense with holographic glitters, I would almost consider it full coverage glitter gel. Between the 3 tubes, the labels appear similar, but there are noticeable differences. Each one is dominated by a different color glitter, holographic, pink, or aqua blue. These are softer gels by viscosity, which makes it a great one for beginners because it spreads very easy and moves where you need it. This helps get accustomed to using PolyGel. As I continued to manipulate the PolyGel, I would turn it and look at its shape from different directions, especially the client's point of view. I may have forgotten to mention, unlike the gel cream for the color that I used, I cured the PolyGel for 120 seconds because it is a gel, therefore it is a thicker substance. After manipulating the gel, I would turn the nail upside down. It being a softer gel, it's going to level. Turning it upside down will help it form an apex. With the excess gel, I went ahead and covered the pinky. I don't think I did too bad laying the polygel, but here's a little gentle filing just to smooth the surface. No need for an e-file, as polygel is a softer product than acrylic. Now see, this is what we're always talking about. Filing always ends up out of frame. In case you didn't catch it, I'm already coating the underside here. I thought it recorded when I did the top coat. I'll do it again for you here because it sure can't hurt to have more shine. I like how these turned out. I love how the geometric shape peeks out from underneath all of that beautiful shimmery glitter. Well, thank you so much for coming by today. I really appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.